What's going on, people? What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, man, so today we're in a Negril on the 7 Mile beach strip, and I'm just gonna show y'all, the beach side, let y'all see the ocean and all of that good stuff. I'm not gonna be talking in this video. I'm just gonna show y'all the nice white sand, the ocean, and let y'all enjoy the sound of the ocean and all that good stuff. All right? Yeah. Oh, it's not. Your mother right today further down, close to Trios, right? Yeah, yeah. Okay. So we have a good little walk. Not bad.
Maybe around 10 more minutes.
10 more minutes.
Go on, barber shop then.
Where?
Somewhere up in our lane.
Yeah. That's crazy. Ocean pretty. Huh? Watch your foot on the stone.
Yeah.
Do it alone. Yeah. Bird is the word. Oh yeah, like a little sandbar or something. Yeah. Nice little water trampoline. Yeah. Water feel nice. Yeah. What? Yeah. Hello.
Morning.
Morning.
What I made my sister?
No, thank you.
Not right now.
How are we gonna save that?
Should I try to sell some stuff? I mean, I'll waste your time after my time right now. And the water not cold now? Can't wait for going in the water.
Good.
Rhythms of the night. Sea Grape Bar, Grill and Chill.
There's somebody a build
Yeah.
construction.
Oh, nice.
Don't hold it, put it on around out there.
Oh, this one, yeah.
Maybe morning snack.
Yeah.
Yeah. You think the Margaret will look after the big bullet that up on the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah. How much of them will cost? See one when they look on this
What?
lean up one by itself.
Yeah.
Willow tree.
Oh.
Yeah, and the concrete, yes, look. It's that.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. No trespassing. Change the view, like, how the cars have to open that ear, no? Go on, drone footage. Oh, but it's like a new hotel, new little villa.
You can tell, sir. The mason them and them are used.
Good, yeah.
You can tell.
You tell the
quality
difference,
concrete.
right? Yeah.
Yeah, clean.
Clean.
No, no, soon.
Oh,
Maybe just have
for
it
the
as a
boat,
marker.
yeah. For the boat of them, however, can't see him. I guess. What's this stuff, right?
Yeah. The beach room up there.
Body, yeah.
See, it's literally the funny restaurant,
But-
the master.
Yeah. But like man, they've been on the talk yesterday.
Yeah.
They have to put
The sandbar,
the concrete thing like about 10 feet in the water in order to break it. Or to go continue to erode.
Yeah.
And that's not expensive
No.
because it's freaking cement tables. And you actually make the concrete them put them out in the water when they're in dry. Simple as that. Simple as that. Huh?
Wave Beach
Oh,
for the events. Like, all the New Year's Eve party them and stuff
yeah.
over the solar fence.
We put on an event and do it.
Mm.
We put on an event. Yeah. Just something simple. Simple. And do it RSVP. Yeah.
We're as simple as possible and all of them over the
Yeah. But then, yeah.
donkey rails, chug it.
Yeah.
And the New Year's Eve party them all white them.
Yeah.
It's a cabin is nice. I can take real nice.
What hurricane?
Oh, them put up, you see that? That's one.
What? Oh, the actual rock spoon. Yeah.
That's
Block
like
off
a
the.
bird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Block off the
Yeah,
any
Go
water
through
or
that.
anything like that. Yeah, it is. That's the name of it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's cool. We probably need to check it out. You know, it would be nice to stay
Check
upon.
out this front door.
Yeah.
Woo! Alright, so
Like,
that's a level.
yeah. You can imagine to stay upon the front one right there, the balcony. Yeah, get to see the ocean.
It's a nerve one.
Oh, me know that one. I hear about it before.
Then they bought long time.
And yeah, we pass all the time on the front of the road. I think they have the sign on it, like one little wooden.
Farm.
Yeah, one
Like
farm.
the palm tree.
Yeah.
Similar to egg like where I believe.
Yeah.
Sign. Yeah, resort this.
Oh, White Sun.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they start doing breakfast and them something again, you know.
Yeah.
Like what they always been doing, but it seems like they get busier now since over the years. Yeah. And they always book out. Always book out. 'Cause even though it's not probably like a popular base like a fancy whatever 5-star, them always book out. Oh, this is the one with the old guy. The interview. Oh, they look. I would see antique with the furniture and stuff. Outside. I don't know what the inside. How inside still. Yep. Of course, yeah. That's good. Yeah. Appreciate it. That's smart. That's smart. And that we keep the sun and everything there, so you know.
When they're done sitting there and now go pick up all this.
What this? No. Yeah. You know what's remember me upon this? Dude. Remember some buy the memory card, you know? Yeah. We have a lot of memory upon this, man. This, you know, this can't done for now. Can't done. And property big though, man. The Charlotte Inn. Yeah, big.
No, nobody step on
Nice.
Step on It's an idler right now.
Yeah.
They fill our money.
Oh yeah. Oh, bring out the kite parking.
Some people come at them place so they're not drive.
No.
More
More to it, yeah. Only we because we have a family and you know I live here. You know.
So yeah, Coca-Cola Park now, the right track here, down Coca-Cola
Oh yeah, see it over there.
is Best in the West.
Best in the West. Oh.
You know, Margarita Villa, right around the corner.
Yeah. Actually, sound good. You know. Who? Oh, for real? Also live here?
Maybe.
Most likely. I should just always
There for long.
long. Always come on vacation. Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Negril Seaway Tours and Adventure.
Negril road and sidewalk to the second. Bone pick you up.
Somebody lick you up. I know sidewalk and did it like that.
I'm not saying nothing.
I think I got one there, yeah. I think. Beer for only $2. Yes, sir? Beer for only $2. That's almost all something, man. No. Mm. Yeah. Oh, nice. 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 Mm-hmm. We jamming. Huh? Right there? Oh. Not today.
Not today, thank you.
What?
I want to fill out my money somewhere.
Oh,
I'm going to set up on the food right.
oh, okay.
It's an idle while too. Yeah, I think that is
They have more than one location?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
These are the main one. Where you drop off.
Huh? Yeah. Yay. Margaritaville.
Okay, you can't do them kind of got right now, you know.
Who?
You.
Why not?
Hmm?
Why not?
Breakfast.
No, I'm good. You may just walk it out.
Outside.
You can see it, we'll just walk it out. You blind?
Walk my outside. You would never walk about the other way too.
Nope. We're good. No.
The trail's there right in front.
Oh, well, the blue something.
So close.
Close now, right?
Yes, when we're in the back, that's why you come like, nah, really.
Yeah. Yes, guys, so we are at the end of this video. We're gonna make a quick stop at Margaritaville, grab some drinks, chill, go in the water, and enjoy the rest of the day. All right, so until next time, big up on yourself, and definitely come check out Jamaica. Yeah, man.